To deposit a check on Go2Bank, start by downloading and installing the Go2Bank mobile app on your smartphone if you have not already done so. Once installed, open the app and log in to your account using your username and password. Next, navigate to the deposit check option, which is usually found on the home screen or under the menu section. Click on this option to begin the deposit process. You will be prompted to select the type of check you are depositing, such as a payroll check or a personal check. Take a clear and legible photo of the front and back of the check, making sure to sign the back of the check and include the phrase "for Go2Bank deposit only." The app will provide guidelines on how to take the photos, including positioning the check on a flat surface and ensuring the lighting is sufficient. Enter the check amount and select the account where you want to deposit the funds. Review the deposit details carefully to ensure everything is accurate. If all the information is correct, submit the deposit. Wait for the deposit to be processed, which may take a few minutes. You will receive a confirmation message once the deposit is successful. It is essential to keep the check for a certain period, usually 30 to 60 days, in case there are any issues with the deposit. To avoid any delays or rejections, ensure the check is properly endorsed, the photos are clear, and the deposit amount matches the check amount. Additionally, be aware of the deposit limits and any potential fees associated with mobile deposit. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily deposit a check on Go2Bank using your mobile device. This convenient service allows you to deposit checks remotely, saving you time and effort.